Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So this video is a quick mash-up of a little impromptu visit that me and Matt took to Festival Italia after a breakfast, an R-Line breakfast meet one morning. If you like videos like this and want to see me and Luke do more, or you've got any ideas for videos that you'd like to see us do, don't forget we're trying to get people to fall in love with their cars at R-Line. We focus on the road trips, but the YouTube stuff is just as fun, so let us know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, press the like button. If you like our channel, subscribe please. We've got the North Coast 500 trip up on the website, so go check that out at www.rlinert.co.uk. Here's the video. Right, what's going on, everyone? So we are down at Brands Hatch for Festival Italia. I'm with Matt today. You've seen him in such videos as I crashed my TVR. It's not been released yet, but it's coming.
First opportunity in this event for the Grand Prix.
Ferrari!
Top two, now challenging.
Absolutely, these cars are just savage, aren't they? Yeah. The Italians definitely know how to build a car, don't they? Definitely. I mean, reliability is questionable, but they smell good. Yeah. Mate, look at these little cars. I love these things. Ledge. Done. I'm sold. Don't your Lewis collect these?
Yeah, he loves them. He likes the
Look at them, hundreds.
I love this colour interior. That's for just an old school.
That's very versatile. Look at the dials on it.
Yeah. 3 to 8. Good to be. Like money now.
What's the question? Do I have £270,000?
No, we come here. This is effectively like a dealership.
Yeah.
And the other day we was at Aston Martin.
Yeah.
And at McLaren.
Yeah.
Where's the money going to go? What would you do?
I would tell you now. It would be on none of these.
What do you think of the F1 here?
it is slow. I reckon they're about half pace. Well, they stand on it for it. Huh? During its good vibrations. Nah. Didn't even notice.
Well, they stand there, Montelli throwing their brakes up towards Druidi and gets closer and closer on the acceleration.
Gotta love a Ferrari, eh?
Last chance move.
He's not clearing it, he's not getting away from it.
For any Ferrari Formula Classic, we scored at second place. It could be, of course.
So nice.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car.
And,
Beautiful.
and in essence, it's
Look
a Ferrari.
at that. Yeah, look at that.
Look at the steering
They
wheel.
use their own engines, Ferrari. Oh, the Ferrari.
Ferrari. Mate, the Alfa Giulia, its
Yeah.
V6, is just it's a V8 from Ferrari with 2 cylinders chopped off.
Right.
That's 4200 GT.
So what you're basically saying is, if I go buy
One of
a
these.
Giulia, it's essentially a Ferrari.
Yes, it is.
There's some consumer advice there, straight from an R-Line representative. If you want a Ferrari, buy an Alfa. Yeah, is it good? What do you think of Festival Italia, Matt?
There's many Italian vehicles here.
What?
What?
Actually, it's a pretty good. Look at this. It's spot on. Yes, look. Look at the zoom up. Oh, it's a tree.
So that should be another one to watch
He
out
is
for.
very good.
Why is that tree? Why have they not cut that tree down? Tell me.
One first race, he's won the 2 previous races, so he's taken part in so far.
It's safely fine.
Dai boschi fitti e scuri, amarava Mussolini e da